In a small forest lived a tiny creature named Bobo, whose ears were the biggest of all. The other animals often made fun of him. The rabbit would laugh and say, "Oh, Bobo, your ears look like satellite dishes." The monkey would tease, "Do they give free Wi-Fi too?" Everyone laughed, but Bobo didn't feel good about it. Sadly, he would think to himself, "I wish my ears were smaller." One day, an unusual silence spread across the forest. The wind seemed to pause, and the atmosphere felt strange. From far away, a faint growling sound could be heard. Wolves were quietly sneaking toward the forest. One wolf whispered slowly, "Tonight's dinner is ready." No other animal could hear anything, but Bobo's large ears immediately stood upright. Nervously, he said, "That's the sound of danger." Then he shouted with all his strength, "Wolves, run!" At first, the animals didn't believe him, but suddenly the wolves jumped out of the bushes. The animals quickly ran and reached safety just in time. The wolves were left confused and hungry, and they eventually went back. Soon, all the animals gathered around Bobo. The monkey said excitedly, "Bobo is a hero." The deer added, "Your ears saved us." Smiling proudly, Bobo said, "Maybe my ears aren't such a bad thing after all." That day, he understood that the very thing that made him different was actually his greatest strength.